Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a game pass in Roblox Studios. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the way how to make it to have a button in game that you can buy it from, and you can also buy it when you're out of the game. And if you buy it, you'll get an item in that game. So to start off, we're going to go to base plate. You can do anything, you don't have to do base plate. I'm just doing base plate here. It is good to experiment with. And first thing you want to do is go into StarterGUI and add a screen GUI. Under screen GUI, you are going to add a text button, and under text button, you are going to add a local script. Once you open your local script up, which is right here, you are going to write in the code, which is going to be in the description of this video, and this code is for the text button. Okay, so now that I wrote the code down for this, I'm fast forwarding when I write it. You guys can read it here, and it is in the description, and you can copy and paste into Roblox Studios. So this is the code for the button. So after this, you are going to go under StarterGUI and add another local script into this. I'm gonna delete the default. Now I'm gonna type in the code for this one. And this one is also in the description. This is for the StarterGUI LocalScript. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk a little bit about these codes. So I'm gonna start with the first one we did. So in this one, this one's just telling you if you push the button that you created, it's going to basically open up the thing to buy it. And then right here is the code of the game pass. In a second, we are going to make a game pass, and we're going to put the code in there, and I'm going to show you that part of it. Now in this one I wrote sword here. These two areas you're going to have to replace if you want an item other than sword. I'm going to add in a sword. I'm going to add in the Roblox sword, and this has also this classic sword. In the classic sword, it says sword here, and then right here there's a classic sword. That's what I was looking for, and because it's also named classic sword. So you would have to change those for the item that you get, and then you are going to change this ID just like the other one. This is just the Gamepass ID, exactly the same right there. And right here it says ReplicatedStorage because the sword is going to be stored in the replicated storage, and it's going to be given to the player if they own the Game Pass. So right here it says if Game Pass if they own Game Pass, then this will be laid out here. Now to get the sword in, we're going to push in the sword button. Push the sword, push yes, and it puts it under the starter pack. We don't want it there. We're going to drag it up into ReplicatedStorage here. It's just going to stay there. And now let's make the button however you want. We'll push text button, drag it to where you want on the screen here. I'm going to put it in the corner here. Up hit the top-ish, you can change the background color. I'm going to make it green. And at the very bottom, or around the bottom, is the text settings. I'm going to change the text to scaled. I'm going to make it bold. Right here where it just says text, you just erase that and write whatever you want. I'm going to write Game Pass. This is what this button is going to say. So now there's a button there. Okay, we're gonna keep it up the scripts right there, and now I'm going to go over here right here, I am going to, oh, 1 second, I'm sorry. Now we're going to push game settings and save to Roblox. I'm just gonna name this my game for now. Description, you can put anything, I'm not gonna put anything. This is like me. Okay, save. Okay. Now right here, it comes up like this, so it is saved. Now we're gonna go to the permissions tab. We're gonna make it public so I can see it in the app on the website. And now we're gonna go to File and Publish to Roblox. You can see it's all gray right there, so you can't do it again. Now we are going to go to Roblox. I'm going to go to my creations. I'm going to refresh the page 1 second. Okay, now here it is, my game for now. Now under here, we're going to go to Store and we're going to add a pass. For this pass, just going to put on a random picture, and then we can change the name to whatever you want. Game Pass or Sword, but whatever you want in the description. Okay, now we're going to push preview and verify upload. And now they did that, you're going to want to go under configure and go to sales and turn on sales. You can make this to whatever you want. I'm just going to put it 5. Okay, so successfully updated. I can go back to details and you can see here it is on sale for 5 and item owned right there. So right here is the code for your Game Pass. You're gonna copy that. You can do Control C and it'll copy it. You can go here and oh, my things are closed. StarterGUI. Underneath that, open both the local scripts. Now right here we are going to change the ID and you're going to push Control V to paste these, or however you want to do it. Okay, so now the code is in it. It says sword, and that's exactly what this says. It says ClassicSword, ClassicSword, sword, ID of the Game Pass, ID of the Game Pass, and it shows everything is good there. So the sword is under replicated storage. We want to have that, and everything that we've gone through. And now it should work. We push play. And if you can see, I have a sword. And if you push this button, it says you already own this item. Your account has not been charged. Now if we push stop and go over here, push these little 3 dots here, and we can push delete from inventory. Yes. Now it says buy. So now if you go to the game and push play now, if you push, you can see that I do not have a sword now. If you push Game Pass, it says it's not for, it's because it's been disabled. Okay, so now we are going to want to go to game settings because it's not letting third-party sales. We're gonna want to go to the security and we want to push allow third-party sales. Now we're gonna push save, and then we can publish to Roblox, so then it goes out on other things. Now let us try pushing play. Okay, now if we push Game Pass, it says here you can buy it, and it said because this is a test, it won't charge your account. So I'm just gonna push it. It says it is you've gotten it, and right now it won't show with the sword I have it. It won't show I have it right now. It's because this is just the studio. Okay. Now we can try loading into this game. Okay, I loaded in the game. Now if you push Game Pass, it comes up here. Because this is me, I am going to get paid back 3%. I'll have 2 Robux. So I'm going to lose 2 Robux for this. But I'm going to do this for you guys. Yes, if sword succeeded. And push OK. And now you just have to reset. Oops, so sorry. I just left. I'm just gonna rejoin to reset. And as you can see, when I bought it, I just had to do a reset real quickly, and it is in my account, and I have the sword. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Bye!